Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling Leetcode 221, Maximal Square. This problem challenges us to find the largest square containing only ones in a binary matrix. We'll walk through the problem, explain the intuition, and write code together. Here's the problem: given a 2D binary matrix filled with zeros and ones, we need to find the largest square containing only ones and return its area. One brute force idea is to iterate through every one in the matrix and try to expand as far as possible into a square. But that's too slow. And superscript 3. We need something better. Instead, we use dynamic programming. Here's the trick: we create a 2D DP table where dp, I, j, represents the size of the largest square ending at matrix, I, j. The recurrence relation is: we update the max square length as we go and return its area. Let's write this out in code and test it together. And that's it. We use dynamic programming to bring down the time complexity to O(m*n), which is efficient enough for large matrices. In future videos, we'll cover how to visually debug DP states and other cool problems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the collab link in the description. See you next time.